Come with me with my first solo travel in Zambales. I hopped on a bus bound for Iba Zambales and it departed at exactly 4 a.m. The fare was 548 pesos. I arrived here in San Felipe Public Market at 9 a.m. Right in front of it is a 7-Eleven where I bought some snacks and withdrew some cash since the resort that I'll be staying at only accept cash payments. Then from there, I took a tricycle to take me directly to Casuarina sa Liwa Beach Resort and the fare was 100 pesos. It was still quite early when I arrived at the resort, so I decided to roam around, check out the beach, and search for a place to eat. I just decided to eat here at Taco Joint, and it's just a 3-minute walk from the resort, but take note that they open at 11 a.m. After eating, I went back to the resort and finally checked in. Here's the room that I booked for a one-night stay. It's clean, it's fully air-conditioned, and it comes with a private bathroom.
A few moments later.
It's already too crowded at the beach when I went outside, so I've decided to just go for a swim while watching the sunset. After I washed up, I napped for a bit, then went to chill outside my room to watch an ongoing K-drama. Then I woke up at 5:30 a.m., go outside, and then catch the sunrise at the beach. After taking my breakfast, there are just few people at the beach, so I've decided to go for a quick swim. After swimming, I fixed my things and just had my mango shake outside while waiting for my checkout time. That's it for my solo travel in Zambales. See you in our next gala. Thank you for watching.